Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set office file formats on OneDrive. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on OneDrive and then select the settings icon which is on your top right corner. Now select options. Now select office file formats. Now you can choose one of these options. The first one is Microsoft Office Open XML format and the second one is Open Document format. In the first option you can get the .docx, .pptx, .xlsx, and in the second one you can get .odt, .odp and .ods. So you can select one of these options and then select on save, and that's how you guys can successfully set office file formats on OneDrive. So that's it for the video. Now if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.